Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today, I'm gonna be doing videos what people request and stuff. 2 seconds guys, I'll put you in a better position because I don't like this light right here. There we go, that's better. So today it's gonna be a different video. Like I was saying, I'll only be doing videos what people request to me. Like this video was requested by Chloe Natividad. Shout out to you, Chloe. And yes, I have got your tub right here to bring it to store. It's empty. Right. So this is a squishy video plus slime video. So yeah. By the way, these 2 slimes I didn't make or buy. My friend Chloe, who I shouted out, she was really nice and made me 2 batches of slime. So yeah, thank you, Chloe. So first thing we're gonna start off with, we're gonna save the best. We're gonna save the best to last. Yes, if you can see this on my hand, I've signed it myself already. It's a little thingy, but blah, blah, blah. I'll just explain it tomorrow at school. Right. So this came in the package for me today. Now I need the light. This came in the package for me today. It's a narwhal squishy. Oh my god, the lighting is so bad. Right, this is a narwhal squishy. I'm gonna see how good it squishes. It's so soft. It's got a weird weight. It's so soft. Yeah. Squish the horn down. Don't narwhals have the horn on the nose? So it sticks out like that. So it's supposed to be so it's normally like that. But instead it's on the top, it's like a unicorn whale. So yeah, now let's get into the best part, the slime. I'll go from my least favourite to my favourite. So this slime is called Nighttime Star Flome slime. This is what it looks like. And it's got a bit of pork inside. Listen. Right, let's get it out. So this is very stiff and hard to stretch. It's not really the best. The foam beads keep on coming out of it. And how you make this is you can use black pen, what I've been taught, to dye it. But this is what you need: PVA glue or clear PVA glue, detergent, and that's all really, and a pen of food colouring. So yeah, it's very tough to stretch. But yeah, I've got these little tubs. They are my sisters for, I think they are my sisters anyways, for a food and stuff. But that was the Nighttime Star Flome slime. I don't know why I said woohoo, but put them up to the side. This one is my favourite. It's a brand new one. I just got it today. I'm going to call it, because I made it darker. It's a purple one. It's a normal slime. I would say it's like a matte slime. I don't know what kind of slime it is. It's just normal, really. I would call it unicorn slime or mermaid slime. I don't know. Just comment down below or tell me at school what slime you think it is. Okay, so you can see this doesn't flow. Oh, I'm allowed to take my bandage off, only for things like slime, they said, just so it doesn't get stuck to it. So take that off, but I have to be very careful. Right. And yes, I do need it. this slime is so pretty. You can see, if you're watching this, Chloe, you can see it's a darker purple. I put more pen on it. Used to be like a pinky colour because she spent her time this morning for me. She was late for the bell at school because she spent her time for me dyeing this. And it was kind of a pinky colour, and I asked for purple and sparkles. But she said just add more pen if it's not the colour what you like. But it has got sparkles in. You can't really see, but it's really, really, really pretty. Yeah. So we're going to do a little things with this. If you're wondering where I am, I'm actually in my mum's room. And look, I can actually do the split hour. And look, I can do it all now. I'm really joking. It's my legs. Right. So, first of all, I need a pull mat to use up. Don't tell my mum, but I've already got it there in my pants. Because I took it to gymnastics. I hurt my wrist even more at gymnastics. Right. So we're going to stretch it out. We want to just keep on folding it like this. This is how you make a good swirl. You don't just have it normally like this and you go, woo, like that. Okay? That's that swirl. Yeah? That's a normal swirl. Now, we're going to make a really nice swirl. You just have to, like, twist it. I can hear my mum. He's just sitting underneath my mum's bedroom. I'm just filming in my mum's bedroom. Right, now. Oh, no. Right, now. That's bad, but it was better than the other one. Right, this is what I like doing because I'm just going to do it fast. So this is called AMSMR. 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 A and small. Small. AMSMR. Chloe, please come early to school. Okay, so that ruined it. Oh my god, did you hear that? See if I can make any bubbles. Look. Get stuck to my foot. So yeah, if you guys didn't know this already, which you probably do, if you have it, like if you have your finger in it for ages, okay? So tomorrow I'll tell you guys what happened to my wrist. Most of you know like what I did at school, but I'll tell you like what the doctors and stuff. So you see slime gets on you. It's quite hard and you can't really get it off you. Imagine if you can't get it off you. This one, I can't get it off. But imagine you can't get it off you. Yeah? You just need to get your slime and dab it. But if it gets like all at the bottom, like all over here and everything, you can just put that slime back and you just get a little bit of the slime. Try not to use your tub, Chloe. Get a little bit of this slime and you just dab it off. There we go. No, my mum said not get it on, I've got it. So yeah. And if you guys know Jake Paul, tomorrow I will be bringing my new bag, which is Jake Paul merch bag. It was a limited edition one. It took 8 weeks to come, and it's a rainbow bag. Listen. It's like wet fart. It's like air fart. Did you hear that? Like it's like air fart. Wait, I need that. Like that and like that. No, there was air going from it. Oh, that's a good one. Right. So yeah, this video was really all about Chloe Natividad. Thank you if anybody else watched it. Chloe inspires me on a lot of things. So thank you guys for watching my slime and squishy video. If you want to see more squishies, make sure you go check out squishy video part 1 and part 2. And if you want to see more slimes, that lid came off. If you want to see more slimes, you can see more slimes. I'll be doing slime videos every Friday. Be doing slime videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and Sunday. Pardon me, if I can on Sundays. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching so much. Love you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn it from red to grey, and make sure you like these videos and share it with all your friends and family and all the people out there. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.